If you have been looking to build a company that creates passive income, I want to share with you the truth behind a passive income business, and I want to share the things that no one tells you about. Let's go ahead and dive right in to the truth about passive income. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany, Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise and creating automation so that they can scale. Now, before we dive into today's topic, where I'm going to share the truth about passive income, I want you to check out the special guide that I have for you to help create digital products and ultimately generate your first sale. Now, you can find that below and hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos. Now, one thing I want to just go ahead and just get down to the nitty-gritty on is passive income. A lot of people are looking to build a e-course, or they're looking to create digital products because they want to have this passive income business. Now, just in case you're not familiar with what passive income is, it's where you create a product. Maybe it's a course, maybe it's a ebook, or you might even create some templates or things along those lines. You create it once and then you're able to sell it over and over and over. Now, a lot of people talk about how passive income can really change your life, and it really can, based off of my own experience and the clients that I get to work with, being able to see the revenue that is generated within their business and how their lives change so drastically is amazing. But one thing I know is that in the beginning, it is not what a lot of people think it is. So I'm going to dive into the truth behind passive income so that when you are creating your business, you can keep these things in mind and ultimately know that if things aren't taking off right off the bat, you're not being hard on yourself or feeling like you're a failure. The first thing about passive income is that passive income is not actually passive until you make it automatic. So you have to create some automation in your business in order to properly make this a passive income product. So for example, if you're going to be doing an e-course or an ebook, or if you're going to be selling some downloadables or something along those lines, you have to set up your platform to where you make it to where it's actually on automation, where people can buy it 24/7. So for example, if you are going to create an online course, then you need to have a pathway for people to get to your online course to be able to check out anytime. And it could be through a funnel, it could be directly on your website, it could be through email marketing, whatever it may be, but you ultimately need to allow people to be able to check out if you are going to create this automation. So a lot of people fall into the trap of they create a course or they create an ebook, but they don't create a path for someone to fully go to their website and buy that course or learn more about how they can work with you. All of that, they skip that. And so if you are going to go into the passive income type of model in your business, it's important that you create the automations so that you can have passive income and people can truly check out 24/7. Now, when it comes to passive income, a lot of people think it's important to go ahead and create some long signature course that costs $2,000 plus. And one of the things that I have found is when it comes to passive income, it's important to have a diversity of products. So it's important for you to take some time to build maybe a low offer, a low tier offer, and then you can also have your high tier offers. But it might take you a while to create your high tier offer. And so if that is the case, if you have your low tier offers already available, it allows you to start generating revenue. And so what a lot of people say is, oh yeah, you're gonna build out a course, you're gonna start making money. When it's a higher tier product, you might find that it takes a little bit longer, or it takes people wanting to get to know you more before they invest into your digital product. And so I highly recommend, if you are going to build a passive income business where you have products that fall into the passive income model, it's important to have some diversity so that then people can buy from you 24/7. You want to generate revenue. And if you're finding that you're not generating revenue, or you're finding that it's taking too long to build out maybe a higher tier digital product, well, then it's just keeping you from actually generating revenue and getting to that place. So I want you to take a step back and I want you to think about, how can I diversify my products? How can I have some low tier and how can I have some high tier? And while I'm working on my high tier products, how can I sell my low tier products on the back end while I'm still in the process of building out out my signature product. Now, the third truth about passive income is that it's not a build it and they will come model. Now, a lot of people think if I create my e-course, or if I create my ebook, or if I create downloadables or templates and things along those lines, people are going to flood into the digital website store. But that's not the case. You still have to promote your business. You still need to talk about it and find ways to get the traffic source over to your actual digital products. It could be through email marketing. It could be through social media, word of mouth, affiliates, joint ventures, and things along those lines. You really want to make sure that you have a way to get traffic to your digital product so that you can see sales. One thing I see happen more often than not is that people will create their digital products and they'll create a lead magnet and then they just put it out into the world and they think that everyone's going to come knocking down the doors to buy that digital product. So it's important for you to take time in the beginning to really understand what is my journey for my customers. How am I going to get the traffic source over to whether it's my funnels, my website, or my products? How do I get those individuals to see what it is that I am actually selling? And then how do I continue to market it ongoing? What are some things that I can do in order to get traffic to my site, traffic to my funnel, or traffic to my products on the back end? What do I need to do? And so it's important for you to establish what your journey is going to be in order for your customers to get to that place. So if you are thinking that if I go into the passive income model in my business, I could just build this product and wash my hands of it, I want to let you know that that is not going to be the case. It's really important for you to get clear on what journey you're going to have for your customers. You will need to put in the work up front, and you'll also need to continue to market your actual funnels or your actual products or website or whatever it may be, and you can do that through some of the different traffic sources that you are looking to create. There you have it, Corporate Misfit. There's the truth about actual passive income products. It's not just going to happen overnight. You are going to put some work in there. You are going to find that at the very beginning, you might not have as many sales, but over time, as you continue to grow and feed the machine that you are building for your passive income business, you'll be able to remove your hands off the keyboard and take a step back and not have to be so involved with some of these products after they have been properly built, set up, have a marketing structure, and so much more. So there you have it, Corporate Misfits. Go ahead and look into some passive income products for your business and see if it would be a good fit. And don't forget to download the free guide that I have for you that can help you to create digital products and also start generating some sales in your business. Okay, I'll see you next time. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.